The Netherlands, known for its picturesque canals and tulip fields, draws travelers from around the world. At the heart of its allure lies Amsterdam, a city where history, culture, and modernity intertwine seamlessly. As you stroll through cobblestone streets, the aroma of freshly baked stroopwafels fills the air, inviting you to savor a taste of Dutch delight. One of the most intriguing facets of Amsterdam is the famed Red Light District. Shrouded in myth and curiosity, this area is far more than just its reputation. The district, known as de Wallen, showcases the spirit of liberalism that defines the Dutch culture. As the day fades, the soft glow of red lights illuminates the windows, offering a glimpse into a world few dare to understand. Each corner of the Red Light District tells a story, with its historic buildings and canals serving as a backdrop to the unique lives of its inhabitants. While one might expect a lively nightlife filled with revelry, a deeper exploration reveals a complex narrative of empowerment and choice. The women here work within a regulated environment, asserting their autonomy in an industry often shrouded in stigma. Travelers seeking to wander through the Red Light District should approach with respect and an open mind. Guided tours offer insightful perspectives on sex work, the laws governing it, and the cultural implications it carries. This knowledge enriches the experience, transforming perceptions and fostering understanding. The notorious area serves as a living testament to societal attitudes toward individual freedoms. As you explore beyond the Red Light District, the treasures of Amsterdam unfold. Museums like the Rijksmuseum and Van Gogh Museum showcase masterpieces that have shaped the art world, while the Anne Frank House stands as a poignant reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. River cruises provide a tranquil view of the city's architecture, allowing you to absorb the beauty from a different vantage point. In closing, a visit to the Netherlands is incomplete without an encounter with its multifaceted culture. From the breathtaking landscapes to the vivid streets of the Red Light District, each experience broadens your understanding of this vibrant country. Embrace the adventure and let the Netherlands reveal its many layers, challenging your preconceptions while ensuring memories that last a lifetime.